Hello everyone, and welcome to Tyke and Sons Lumber Co. Um, oh whoa, sorry. A long time
Once
ago.
upon a time,
Oh
where
crap,
life
never
was
mind.
simple, trees fell left and right, and the bridge's boards fell loose constantly within Zeebill's presence, lived Chipper and his son Tyke. Chipper was proud of his wood-chopping offspring with the success of his company, Chipper and Sons Lumber Co. After the father tree was demolished by Tyke, the beavers lived in harmony in their happy cabin. Along with that, Tyke had success on his last date with a fellow beaver named Lisa. So much success that they had started their own family after a year of bonding. Time seemed to go by fast as the beavers chopped and built. Tyke and Lisa eventually brought their own beaver into the world, Mike. With this addition to the beaver family, Chipper was happy to have a new addition to the company soon enough. But as Mike grew up, one day Chipper had gone missing. The remaining beavers quickly scrambled along the acres of land to find their missing beaver member and founder. After a few hours of searching, they had come to the conclusion that Chipper was gone. The family still had hope and did not plan to presume him as dead. Tyke, being the fatherly figure his father once was, took the company into his arms and rebranded the company as Tyke and Sons Lumber Co. The story now goes on in the hands of Tyke and Mike to redefine the business under the brightest light.
Okay, well, I guess that was some story. Like what I was trying to say, I played the actual game, Chipper and Sons, like a long time ago. I don't know if this is the same thing. I just saw it. It was free. I decided to download it. It did give me a warning though about jump scares, so I don't know what's going on. Oh crap, I have to do voice acting.
Well, little Mike, the day has come.
How do I press space? Oh, okay.
No, not the beginning of summer or your coming of age, but me throwing you out on your furry ear. That's what my father said to me when I was your age. Your grandpa Chipper was a great beaver. You can be proud to be his grandson. It's pretty sad that you were never able to talk to him. He disappeared when you were really young. No one knows where he went. Really weird if you ask me. Anyway, I will give you full control over our little lumber company, and I want you to be a great successor. You will spend your days building robots and crafting even more things from the lumber you will be gathering. Okay, I have to burp. Thus, you'll soon be let free from this prison called home. It's time for you to explore the world. I'm going to be watching you from a safe distance. I am a professional. And you can come and you can come right after me if you work hard enough. Remember, no one ever beats good old Chipper. Truly was the best. Get lost. This is your time to shine. We'll start as soon as this text box disappears.
Actually, before you go, okay, I'm not gonna do that voice forever. I just want to let y'all know. Actually, before you go, take this walkie-talkie. This way, stay in contact. Really should be dangerous. Stage roll, counting on you. Plant trees. Good luck. All right. Okay, that music is quite loud. All right, I turned it down a little bit. Is this just like that? Oh, whoa. Can I jump? Nope. So what am I supposed to do? Can I talk to you? Hello? I guess I can't. Okay. Oh, these guys. Okay. Oh, wait, I'm supposed to... Rotten fungus. Okay, that's just awesome. Oh, wait, no. I'm guessing I have to... Oh. Task. Wait. Time to make that tree grow. Stand still and spam W to water it. I got you. Easy. Go on, chop the tree. Okay. Easy. C to chop. Awesome. I'm gonna plant more trees here, actually. Oh, I gotta make lumber out of the wood. There we go. Easy. Time to get serious, son. Collect enough items to build a new Chipomat 1.0. What is that? Oh! That's terrifying. Okay, yeah. I was spamming the wrong button to water. There we go. Alright. Easy. I still need more. Wow. Come on, I need one more piece of wood. There we go. Is that enough? That is enough. I'm gonna plant more trees. I think we need... If I remember from the old game, we go here. Why is it laughing like that? Build another Chipomat. They'll be really useful later on. Okay.
Stay in bed until the clock will chime. Start my flashlights on. Stay up till dawn. I got this shit, I got my life on the line. I felt like I won, but I wasn't done. The nightmare repeats itself every time. Gotta keep my calm and carry on. Stay awake until the sun will shine. But I'm not so strong, and they're not gone. They're still out there to take what's left of mine.
I'm gonna place it right here. Yay. I love it when you make that sound. Super Review, master all your tasks. Press space when you're in front of the house. Okay. Alright, yeah, let's go. Wait, did I just... Hello? Oh. Rough day. Do you want to go to bed? Sure, why not? Alright, let me open the cabin for you. Since you're so hardworking now, we can switch places. Take your toys to the room upstairs. I'll take the attic. Good night, son. Okay, lit. Later that night. Okay. Move your mouse to the left or right to run the window. Click the mouse downwards to turn down. Place behind you. Or if you see anything here, close the curtain. Wait, how do I close the curtain? Oh. Oh my god. Okay. I didn't realize that. Okay, let's hide the tips. Go to bed when you're able to sleep against for sure. Okay. Oh my god. This is so weird. I didn't mean to go back to... Oh, wait, what's this? Oh. Oh, okay, I can get extra batteries. I was about to say my battery's running really low. Is there, like, sound cues I'm supposed to... Damn, those birds. No, I didn't mean to go upstairs. Okay. No! Okay, I need to figure this out, because it's gonna end up getting me killed. What was that? Oh, God. Where? 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 Oh! Oh! Okay. So they knock. Alright. Wait, no, I didn't. Okay. Heh. Alright. Hurry up. Get some of that. Down here. So it's not like survive till like, oh crap. Okay, over here. No! I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm actually gonna die because I'm an idiot. Okay. It's really going easy on me. I need to not do that. Should be easy. Alright. Oh crap. I don't know where that's coming from. Okay, right here. He always seems to coming over here. Okay, cool. I'm gonna check over here just in case. This is really cool. These, what are? Oh wait. Okay. Yes, sir. I just realized. Oh, he's not there anymore. Those are the robots that we made. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Wait, no. We might as well get some batteries. But why? Okay. We're obviously not gonna. Oh crap! No. This way. No. Yep. I love going upstairs. Okay, so no matter what, he's always gonna come from this window right here. Check. Can we move up here? I don't think we can. Okay. Oh, okay. Well, let's go upstairs. Why not? Let's look around. Oh, no, let's not look around. Over here. You're here. That's awesome. Okay. There's an... Oh, I just realized there's an axe on the table. Why don't we just axe his face? He's made out of wood. I don't know. Maybe that won't work. Oh, crap. I didn't get sleep assurance for that. Oh, wait, I did. Oh, wait, aren't we supposed to go back to bed? Yeah, okay. Wait, what? Press B? There we go. Easy.